Hey everybody, Gus Mobile Monogram. We're going to do a giveaway this month, and we're going to do it a little differently than what we have in the past. As you can see from the screen, this is a picture of our website. We're going to supply a link on this post that you can hit, and it will take you to our website. When you get there, you will scroll down till you see the Facebook share button here. Then all you have to do is hit that button. It will bring up your Facebook. Of course, it's bringing up mine now. And then all you have to do is share it. And that's it. After you've done that, go down to this button right here. It'll say live chat or leave a message. Click on that button and it will bring you there. And then all you do is you just leave a message shared, and you're entered in the contest. All there is to it. So we really appreciate it. Give this a try. We just want people to be familiar with our website. Thank you.